Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last month and how the price of silver can move in this particular month. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver is currently trading at around $21.225. Okay, and if you go closely from 2007 to 2011, you can see there a lot of volatility we have seen. You can say till 2013 we have seen the volatility is very high because it has already made high at 2011. From there we have not seen this level has come, so you can consider this period is a more volatile period. Okay, and after that what we have seen, it was moving in a range till 2020. From 2013 to 2020, for 7 years it was moving in this particular low range. Okay, after that it tries to move upside, and when the pandemic hit, it tries to move upside and made a high of around $29, and from there till now we have not seen this level has come. Okay, so you have understood now that from 2007 we have seen the volatility is high till 2013, and from there we have seen 2013 to 2019 it was in this particular range. Okay, after that it breaks this particular range in 2020 and made a high of around $29, and from there we have seen there is a continuous downfall as we have seen in this particular trend same. Okay, before we move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can move in the next month, if you have any doubt you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Okay, and one more mail ID as well as Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work. Okay, see, now look at this particular chart. This was the range. As soon as this range break, we have seen a downfall has come, and now it has already formed a swing at this particular level, a level of around 17.5. Keep this in mind. If the price comes close to this level, we can see a bounce back can come, or if it goes below this, because this level we have not seen tested here and it's a strong support, so bounce back can come. But after that what we can see that 17.8 is a strong resistance once the price comes close to this level, so it can bounce back, but this particular resistance can make it bounce again towards its low, and a probability it can go further low. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain this particular level, chances are, because it has already made a swing, and now after doji candle for 2 months it is continuously moving down, but for this particular month it is trying to go upside, as we have seen a green candle is trying to form. You can see it is close to its resistance, as you can see. So suppose if this resistance support a resistance of around $21.300 around, you can see looking at this particular trend, that is $21.44. so if this level sustain and if it goes above this particular level, chances are very high we can see it can go towards its next resistance of around $21.558. Okay, and if that level also sustain, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $21.715. okay, suppose if the price sustain above $21.5, then chances are very high, because then we can see it can go towards a level of around $22.488. okay, so once it started moving upside, then a probability of going further upside is there. Then once it sustain a level of 22.48, then we can see it can touch a level of around $23. okay, so once the price sustain above $23, then only we can see it, a probability of going towards $23.088, and from there we can see a level of $23.288. okay, so you have to understand here, once started sustaining above $22, chances are very high we can see it can go further upside. So once it sustain 23, then we can see yes, a probability of going further upside, because there is a pattern will form, and a pattern says that once started moving upside, then we can see it can go further high towards a level of 23.300, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $24.2. as you can see that this is the resistance after $23.2. we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $24.4, because this level we have not seen has come. Okay, so chances are very high once started moving upside, further upside if the price sustain above this level. Okay, and if the price move over level of 24, I'll make another video explaining you where it can. It started falling below this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $20.673, and from there we can see it can come down again towards a level of around $20.305. and once it started falling below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of $20.061, and if it moves below this particular level, then we can see it can fall further down towards a level of around $19.648. okay, and once the price fall below this particular level, chances are very high it can go further low towards a level of around $856, and from there we can see it can go further low towards a level of around $18.326. Okay, so once it started falling below this particular level, chances are high it can go further low, and a probability of touching below a level of 18, then we can see it can touch a level of around $17.856, and from there we can see it can go further low towards a level of around $17.488, and then further low if the price didn't sustain. And something, if you are trading, you have to be, what most of the traders do, they do mistakes. What mistake they do? They trade psychologically, they don't trade psychologically. So I teach how to overcome all these things. Suppose if you are trading with $10,000, 10 to 15% of capital per trade, that is 1000 to 1500. Okay, take a risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. So 5 trades, maximum risk will be $500. So once you lose all 5 trades, then stop the trades for the day and then trade the next day. So what is the benefit? You will not be in a pressure to recover the money. But what people do, they lose so much money, 5,000, 3,000, then in the process of recovering they lose their full capital. So I teach how to overcome all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.